Hello, it is me, Midwest EAS, the severe weather forecaster and weather radio collector. This compilation that I built, which this video is in, I would like to say one thing. This is going to be probably a really good scenario, a really good EAS compilation, my first ever EAS comp of severe weather season 2024. I had 2 moderate risk and almost 10 enhanced risk this year, and almost 1,000 marginals and 200 slights. How great is that? Not to me, and not to the people who do not like severe weather. So, this compilation is going to be something that is powerful, something that is a really good compilation that I was busy. I wanted to post this compilation, but I was so busy that I couldn't get the editing stuff up and all that. Here's the thing. Now is the day that I will be able to post this. Now, I'm going to say one more thing. Be ready. Severe weather is always unpredictable, especially here in the Ohio Valley. If you're from the Midwest, you'll know Midwest weather is the most unpredictable, but yeah, to me it isn't. But anyway, be ready for Ohio Valley Insanity, Part 1. The day Kentucky changes.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Nelson County in central Kentucky, Mercer County in central Kentucky, south central Woodford County in central Kentucky, southwestern Anderson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Washington County in central Kentucky, until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I'm actually scared. I am actually scared. I've never been this scared before. I have never been this scared due to storms. Holy fucking shit.
At 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Tornado warning insanity.
Attacks are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows.
I'm most likely going to get it observed. I'm most likely going to get it observed. I'm getting him observed.
Storms will be near Harrodsburg around 9:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is tornado warning
Other
for
locations impacted
I was
by
like,
the tornadic
oh my
thunderstorms
god.
include Dugginsville, Talmadge,
My tornado sirens, my phone, everything went off.
Ashbrook,
Every single radio went off.
Cardwell.
Oh no, my.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Oh my god.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from
Oh my
flying debris.
freaking hell. People in Nelson, LaRue, anywhere in this tornado warnings, seek shelter immediately. And I mean that.
What? Atlanta, Georgia is now in the enhanced?
Oh no, that means my family members in the enhanced.
I am absolutely out of breath. I can't be
And
even. I
what's
can't
even scary,
even
what's even
fathom.
crazier is this isn't even the what's supposed to be the moderate storms today. These are just from the storms from yesterday, but when those moderate risk storms come, it's gonna be way worse.
I'm gonna possibly get
There's gonna be
a
multiple
observed
rounds there.
TOR, most likely. I swear to God,
dude, you imagine you got tornado warned again. That'd be actually insane.
I most likely will.
Yeah, I know, but I want to just say that.
Yeah, or even
Oh.
worse.
I might get.
I am fucking scared. I am scared.
Yeah, I think he's in the moderate.
I am.
Yeah, he's in the moderate.
What do you expect?
Yeah, since
What do you
Louisiana is
fucking
in the moderate
expect?
risk, as well as Louisville, Columbus is getting the worst.
You can hear thunder. You aren't close enough to be struck by
What do you
lightning.
fucking expect from this?
The tornado watch remains in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time for Central Kentucky. A tornado warning remains in effect until
My hands are. I am
Eastern
shaking.
Daylight Time for Central LaRue and East Central Hardin counties. At 8:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located
Yeah,
near
Louisville and
Elizabethtown,
Ohio's getting
southeast of
everything.
45 miles.
So am I.
Expected hazards.
Yeah, you're
include
getting like
tornado.
everything is
This is a
significant.
radar indicated
Your area is
threat.
getting like a
The
significant
following
wind
effects are
and
expected.
significant hail
Flying
risk.
debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh,
Oh
Mobile
no.
homes will be damaged or destroyed.
what was that?
Damage to roofs.
Kansas,
windows.
Meade County, Meade,
Severe
Kentucky.
thunderstorm warning for
Okay.
Eastern Meade
There's
County
under
is canceled.
under an SBR.
I just-
Thunderstorm which prompted
Hardin,
tornado
LaRue,
warning.
Nelson.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until
Capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Elizabethtown.
severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Yep, it's heading towards
until
Elizabethtown.
9:15 a.m. Eastern
My family. I have a family member that lives there.
North Central LaRue, South Central
gosh.
Bullitt, and
The
East
tor-
Central
the
Hardin
oh
counties.
fuck, the
8:15
thunderbolts going
a.m.
off
Eastern
at
Daylight Time.
Elizabethtown.
A severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of
Wait, you can hear
Bardstown,
it from there?
moving southeast
No,
and
but actually I kind of can. It's like faint. It's like really, really faint.
Almost 8. It's 8 o'clock.
Dude, why does it look?
in central Kentucky, central Washington County in central Kentucky, west central Boyle County in central Kentucky, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Bardstown, moving east at 50 miles
That's
per
northeast of
hour.
Bardstown. That's close.
Expected hazards include 60
Wait,
miles
your
per
channel's
hour.
channel 7, right?
Yeah.
This is a radar indicated threat.
Okay.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Willisburg, McVille, Booker, Maud, Mooresville, Poland, Dickville, Stewart, Jenkinsville, and Pleasant Grove. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh, this is TR possible.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once
What was
into
that?
the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time for central Kentucky.
What was that?
The
Oh,
severe
no,
thunderstorm
sorry.
warning for South Central Bullitt and East Central Hardin counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which
The tour. Oh, I am still in effect for it.
The warning has been
There's
canceled.
SBR.
A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time
How are
for
you seeing
central
it? Hold on, let me
Kentucky.
check.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Meade County in central Kentucky,
Baby,
east
you're
central
keeping my
Bradford
mouth. This has
County
gotta
in
stop.
central Kentucky
Turn it
until
off. It's gotta stop.
8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight
Turn it
Time
off. It's
or
gotta stop.
7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:16 a.m.
I want you in bed here soon.
Eastern
I know you're gonna do this for a little bit,
Central
but
Daylight Time.
I'm not playing. Get in bed here soon.
Capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Hardinsburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicated threat. The
Yeah.
following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
I'm
shelter.
good.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Meade and east central Breckinridge counties, including the following locations: Maples Corner, Guston, Grahampton, Irvington, Clemson Mills, Hayesville, Buckville, Webster,
what?
Hillgrove, and Garrett.
Mesoscale
This
discussion
cluster of
concerning
thunderstorms
Tornado Watch
is capable of
73.
producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A risk for strong gusts and a tornado.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 7:06 a.m. Daylight time, or 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 14 miles west of Brandenburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Brandenburg around 8:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lodale, Montfort, Laconia, Raymond, Freemire, Rodelia, Andyville,
Storm thunderstorms will
and
impact.
Emmons. Take cover now.
Oh, dude, you're about to
To a
get hit.
basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
What?
Storm
Avoid
thunderstorms will
windows.
impact
If you
northern
are
Warren
outdoors,
counties.
in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
Yeah,
protect yourself from flying debris.
Turn out, dude, get your weather radios ready.
The tornado warning for northeastern Perry County is canceled.
Oh my god.
Do you hear it?
Severe thunderstorm capable of
tornado
producing a
warning.
tornado was located near Folsomville, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The following impacts flying debris will be damaged to areas of shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, including the following locations: Ranger, Brettsville, Terry, West Fort, Haswell, Mentor, Birdseye, Sulphur, Equity, and Agogo. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If damage to roofs,
Okay.
windows,
We're about to
and
relay it.
vehicles will occur.
I am currently along
I
with
guess not then.
These dangerous storms will be near Harrodsburg around 9:10 a.m. Eastern
CFP
Daylight.
EAS and Harrison
Other locations
and
impacted by this tornadic
SCP
thunderstorm
Louisville or Hayden Haycole.
Arsenal, Ebenezer, Dugginsville, Talmadge, Virgin,
And we are
ES05 here.
and Riverview
Yep.
Estates. Take cover now.
And we are seriously, we just got a tornado warning earlier, but it got expired,
Building.
and they're about to relay this SVR.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
They're about to relay it, aren't they?
This is North Weather Radio, your best source for 24
Now,
hour a day
we have
weather
a day
information.
one water risk.
The station is KFH 43, broadcast from the National Weather. The tornado
Updates tornado warning.
South Central Anderson,
Anderson, Washington,
counties is canceled.
Kentucky canceled.
The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has
Washington
moved
County,
out of the
Kentucky
warned
is
area.
canceled. The storm has moved out of the
The
area.
warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until
Day
Eastern
one
Daylight Time
moderate
for Central
risk to
Kentucky.
Louisville,
Here's the
Cincinnati,
hazardous weather
and
outlook.
Columbus, as well as
Issued at
Dayton.
7:06 a.m.
True.
Eastern Daylight Time or 6:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah,
For portions of Southwest
Uh-oh.
Indiana and Central
Instability.
For
That's what I motherfucking call it.
Severe storms with tornadoes and damaging winds are possible this
Yeah,
morning.
it's gonna be way worse than that insanity that Louisville will ever experience.
And tornadoes all expected.
It's gonna be way worse than the enhanced stressed out break that Louisville will ever face.
Temperatures are expected
Yeah.
Saturday morning. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in south central Indiana, eastern Crawford County in south central Indiana, northern Perry County in south central Indiana, northwestern Floyd County in south central Indiana, southeastern Orange County in south central Indiana, southern Washington County in south central Indiana, northwestern Meade County in central Kentucky, north central Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles northeast of English to Carefree Town to 6 miles northeast of Tell City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corden, English, Carefree Town, Mount Pleasant, Galena, Blue River, New Pekin, Palmyra, Baringo, and Milltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south central Indiana and central Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado.
Folks at home, what we're seeing without losing the radar view here, because obviously at a time like this, the radar is so critical for folks that are watching this tornado running out across parts of southern Harrison, Crawford County. So that's the zone that we're looking at. You can see our whole team working hard just to kind of keep you updated with the latest information we have.
At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles
Where is
southwest
this?
of Carefree Town.
Oh, whoa,
moving east at 55 miles
that is
per
close.
hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat.
I don't like how that looks. That's going right towards Louisville.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Wait.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carefree Town around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Corden around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations to affect this thunderstorm the lower floor of a sturdy building. Fredonia, White Cloud, Mount Pleasant, Fairdale, Middletown, Sulphur, and Alton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. And Ohio. Gusty southwest winds moving in. Through
Moving at. It doesn't even say the miles per hour.
We have a camera there. We'll be watching the storm move in. Let me show you what that velocity quickly looks like. I'm just going to put the velocity on totally, and you're going to notice where we have that little couplet right there. That's where we see the spin on the thunderstorms develop. The question is, will they continue to rotate as they move off to the east and northeast at about 45 to 50 miles an hour? That is the one storm that we obviously are watching in terms of the rotation, and you can clearly see it on the radar. That is the tornado warning, and that stays in place for another 32 minutes. So we're going to take this right until we push just past 5 o'clock. So once again, that is the warning that we have. When we go back to the radar view, all of these storms have been packing a punch in terms of some heavy rain, but they're moving fairly fast, so flooding's not been a real big issue at this point. But that wind, and you can see where it's bowed out just a little bit, strong wind, even with that coupling, will be pushing right into southern Perry County at this point. So that is the only tornado warning that we have as we track that closer to Corbin. Takes a team to do what we do here. We've got Ryan Oak and Brian Good checking the radar. And Brian, let's go over to you. I know we were just saying this during the commercial that that was really starting to uptick just a little bit in terms of its velocity.
Yeah, kind of wavered a bit as it was tracking through areas around, say, Evansville, and now this.
Indiana, Perry County in south central
bloody
Indiana
fucking
until
Lord.
4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Santa Claus, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Oh my lord.
The following impacts are expected.
See what I have to go through as a storm chaser?
Roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Leopold, Ranger, Sassafras, Bristow, Oriole, Salina, Magnet, Terry, and West Fork. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly
with
from
my
severe
remote.
thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement
Poor
of a
possible.
small central room and a
Poor
sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Indiana and Central Kentucky.
French Lick, Orleans, and Paoli. Again, 60-mile-per-hour winds, tornado possible. It is radar
Here is the
indicated. Could see
hazardous
some
weather outlook.
large hail winds. We have